Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring the Creuset Enamel on steel Stockpot, an 8-quart kitchen essential in vibrant Cerise. This pot heats quickly and distributes heat evenly for perfect cooking every time. Its tight-fitting lid locks in moisture to keep your meals juicy and flavorful. The stainless steel rim around the top edge helps prevent chipping and cracking for long-lasting durability. Made from heavy-gauge carbon steel with a colorful porcelain enamel finish, it combines strength with style. The easy-to-clean interior resists flavor absorption and staining, making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're simmering soups or boiling pasta, this stockpot delivers reliable performance with a beautiful look. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.